Hey guys, it's me from Outlier, Adam, here to show you a little bit more about how I use Outlier to tackle my favorite sport, which, as you know, if you know me, it is baseball. Boom, we are live on the screen. I'm going to go through bases. There's a series of videos that we have uh, K props, stolen bases, home runs. Everyone loves a dong. So check this out. Going with bases. Also going to use it live to try to find something with my Phillies who are playing in an hour. So first thing you're going to want to do, you want to sort by the last 10, last 20. You really want to see some recency. We are early in the season, so that's not going to be the case. Also want to see how someone does against the team. Guess who pops up right away? Matt Olson. But his bases are a little low. Something that I always notice is that if someone is just to get a base, kind of want to stay away from them just because something just seems a little bit off. You know, these are all major league players, like just to get a hit. Also, the price discrepancy is never great. So I'm going to play around here. I'm looking around. Let's see. I mean, we are actually looking at, there's our guy. There he is. There he is. Ronald Acuna Jr., the MVP himself. -1. Like, look, it is juicy to take this. We're seeing that there's actually a ton of value on underdog. Shout out to the fact that on Outlier, you can compare the line price on a DFS platform with what it is on a sports book. So shout out to that. It's actually one of the better things that we have with our platform. But look, assuming that we were going to want to take this, the big things that I like to look at here are I scroll immediately down. I look at how this player has done against this pitcher. Pretty good history, 11 hits. Absolutely. Look, you can probably be counting on to get at least one hit against him. Remember, we're taking this through the lens of an under. So green is going to be things that are going to be beneficial to our under. Red is going to be things that are not beneficial to our under. So far, we are seeing that he actually hits really well and has a really good isolated power against right-handed batters, and that Zach Wheeler, he is actually really good against right-handed batters. They have lower averages, lower slugging percentages. His ERA is a little higher. So we're kind of split here. So while this is one that's looking for an under, this wouldn't fit my qualifications of, hey, we got to bet this, because this is red and green, and this is just red and green as well. What I want is both of those things to be green. So let's see what we can find. I'm going to see if I can take it. We'll take it from the over because that'll be a little bit fun. Let's take another guy. Let's take Ozzy Albies. Ozzy Albies is a fun one. Nope, he's red and green. Let's see. This might not be the best game that we've even picked for it. Look, for lack of a better description, maybe we'll take Matt Olson. All right, we can take Matt Olson. Yeah, we'll take Matt Olson. I don't know if I like it because it's a little bit more juice than I want for one hit. But against right-handed pitchers, you can see right here, all of these things are highlighted green, especially the extra base hit percentage, which is something that you want for total bases. Remember, a total base is the number of bases that occur from a hit. It could be a double, could be a single, could be a triple. Home run, that's 4 of them. So if we're looking at this, he, as a left-handed batter who has a great history against Zach Wheeler, he's done pretty well. Zach Wheeler has also not done as well against left-handed batters. His ERA a little bit lower, but look at this, 2 percentage points higher on his extra base hit percentage. His slugging percentage at posing is higher. All of that, it's kind of leading me to think that, I don't know, man, we may want to look at Matt Olson. What's really good about looking at total bases is it can help you dive in generally to some of these other props that might be good too, because if a guy can definitely get on base, he can do something else, like, I don't know, score a run. Check this out, +125 for him to score a run, and we just found it. We know that he's possibly going to get on base. He's got high on base percentages, high hard hit percentages, and then guys behind him who can knock him in. That's all stuff that we love to see. So in conclusion, total bases, you want to go and you want to look at the key matchup stats. You want things to be green to benefit whatever your prop is. It might be an over, it might be an under. It's going to adjust either way. Remember, for baseball, it's a long season. You're going to want to do a whole bunch of stuff. I will always be back here for the other videos. It's my favorite sport, so I'm always happy to jump in. You can find me in the Discord. You can find me on Twitter. But good luck with your bets, and I will see you in another video.